name's Mom, and this is Adele, and we are doing a review on this OJOY watch, which I absolutely love. So I'll start with telling you a little bit about it, and then Miss Adele will show you how to interact with the watch and how it works. So let's start with some of the things that I love as a parent. First off, obviously it tells the time. Second off, it does the weather, which is awesome because your kid can wake up and see what the weather's like and get dressed accordingly, so that's fun. The other thing that I love about it is it takes videos. So during the day, Adele can send me fun little videos of what she's up to, as well as text messages and phone calls. All of these contacts can be put through her watch through my app, so I have full control over who she speaks to, which I love as a parent. And then we have a location finder, which is awesome. So if she gets lost or she's at her friend's house, I can check and make sure she's where she's supposed to be. Lastly, we have the games, which are fun and educational, and we even have a step counter, which gives me an idea of how much exercise Miss Adele's getting throughout the day. So are you ready to show up?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. So first, how do you turn on the watch?
So there's two little purple buttons, and there's also different colors of the watch. So it might not be purple, but these are the two little buttons. You can push either one to turn it on.
Okay, so we're starting with the time.
This is the time. That is where you take photos, and it's where you do videos.
Can you show us how to take a photo?
Yeah. So you just press on it and then pick from one of those. And as you see, I took some pictures and videos already.
Can you go ahead and take a photo for us and show us how that works?
Sure. So you just go onto the photos like that, and then you put your face up and kind of like a normal phone. And then when you hear the little flashing noise, you can take a picture. And that right there, that's where you can make it lighter.
Great.
Mm-hmm.
What about videos, Miss Adele?
Okay, so videos is kind of like the same thing, but it's not the same thing. See? So you press record. There's no lighting up. It's not on yet.
Hey everybody, we're recording on Miss Adele's phone. So what's the next thing that's fun on your phone, babe?
So, I'm going to show you actually something really cool about this watch. You can share, delete, and you can do stickers. See?
Oh, groovy.
That's one thing I love about this watch.
Can you show us a different app or a different thing?
This is the fun learning games that my mom was talking about.
Now, what types of games do they have on here?
Okay, let me just get on to it. Okay, there's these two games.
So learning Chinese and learning math.
My favorite is learning math because you get to do fun shape games.
Oh, fun.
See, and you can swipe through. And I really like doing the little alien. I'm really good at the game.
Nice. What other things can you do on your watch? Let's see the next app.
Next app is weather.
What's the weather today?
Okay, let's go on it and see.
59 degrees, and it's
sunny.
Awesome. What about another app?
Ooh, I really like this next app because, as my mom said, this is one of her favorites because this is where I can text her and I can call her.
Can you show me how that works?
You press on it, and then you press family, and then you can do friends and grandparents. You can do mom, dad. You can do whoever you want, and mine are all boys because I don't know why.
Okay.
They're all boys.
So then what's another feature?
This is the step counter. Like my mom said, it counts all my stuff through the day.
Great. And can we slide through the phone one more time? So we've got the step counter, we've got the contacts for who you can call or text. Then what else?
So
We have after that.
and so there's something for your kids that's really special and important. You go here to settings. You press on settings, and it does volume, how light you want it to be, ringtones.
Can you show us the ringtones?
This is my ringtone. This could be your child's ringtone. This could also be your child's ringtone, or it could be mine. It can be this one, or it can be that one. So, when you call your kids, it's going to make one of those noises that they picked out.
Overall, Miss Adele, what is your favorite thing about the phone?
My favorite thing I really like about it is the math games.
Great. And what do you think? A thumbs up for this?
Mm-hmm.
Thumbs up.